Morning everyone, my name is Ram. Today I can explain about that accounts. First of all, what do you mean by account? Account is nothing but account is a recorded or statement and all financial transactions or incomes it be recorded in particular trade. They have created about the accounts. Okay, generally accounts is a all financial transactions or incomes it will be recorded in particular time frame that have created about the accounts. Accounts has broadly classified into three types. One is the personal account, real account, and nominal account. These three types are classified in accounts. First one, I can explain about the personal account. The personal account is a created is a one of the accounting. All business transactions have been recorded about the personal account. There are three types of personal account in your books. They have natural personal account, artificial personal account, and representative personal account. The natural person's account is a created about the persons. They have persons. For example, natural persons Rama and Shiva it can be prepared natural account. Then next one is an artificial personal account. Artificial personal account is one of the personal account and it is a cooperative or institutions are regarding artificial personal account. Okay. Then artificial personal account example SBI, LIC or company. Okay. Then is created about the artificial personal account. Then again, third is a representative personal account. Each one of the personal account, the representative personal account has nothing but if amount is due from another persons or group of persons, then have say about that representative personal account. Then for example, X person has due to company in 50,000. They have created about that X person is a representative personal account. Okay, they have created about that representative personal account. And for this representative personal account examples, outstanding salary and outstanding wages. This comes about that representative personal account. Then I can explain about that. What do you mean by personal account rule? Is the main concept about the personal account rule. The receiver debit, the given credit. Is a rule about the personal account. The receiver debit, the given credit. I can say example about what do you mean by receiver, what do you mean by credit. You can say small example about that. Cash deposit into bank. Okay. Cash deposit into bank. This is one of the transaction about that concept about that personal account is one of the transaction. The cash deposit into the bank. Cash deposit into the bank. Who is the receiver? The cash is deposited into the bank. For example, X person is deposited into the 10,000 rupees. Is deposited into the bank. The bank is receiver. The bank is receiver. The receiver debit. The transaction is bank is debit. The given is cash is a credit. Cash is a credit. The bank account data is the cash account. This rules comes under the these transactions. Okay, personal account is stated about this account. Next, real account. The next step is next concept about the real account is one of the concept of the accounting. The real account is a process of all assets or property as created about the real account. Okay, real account is created about the properties and assets. Assets is nothing but land, building, furniture, and they have created about the real account. Okay, they have real account has broadly classified into two types. One is a tangible assets and next one is a intangible assets. The tangible assets is nothing but we can see, we can touch the any items. They have created about the tangible assets. Okay, for example, tangible assets we can say about that furniture. Okay, furniture. Furniture is one of the asset. Is under is come about the tangible assets. Furniture, machinery, land, buildings, plant. They have created about the tangible assets. Okay. Next one, intangible assets. Is one of the concept about the real accounting. Intangible assets we cannot see, we cannot touch the any items. Trademark. We cannot see, we cannot touch that any item. They have comes under the intangible assets. These are one of the causes. As real account is related to the properties and assets. There are two types of assets. One is a tangible assets and next one is the intangible assets. Intangible assets. Tangible assets we can create the land and building, furniture, plant and machinery. We can come some under the tangible assets. Intangible assets we cannot see, we cannot touch the any items. It comes about the goodwill and trademarks. Example of it. Then real account will say about that what comes in debit, what goes in credit, what comes in debit, what goes in credit. Then real account will say about that. I will give a small example about that real account rule. Purchased machinery. Purchased machinery from Shiva. He is one of the transaction about the real account. The purchased machinery from Shiva. Okay, the Shiva is a purchased. Shiva is purchased machinery. Shiva is purchased machinery. Then the receiver debit. What comes in debit? What comes in debit? The machinery is comes about the Shiva. Then is a machinery is a debit. The transaction has a debit. Then Shiva is due to the cash. Shiva is due to the cash, the machinery is come is a cash credit. The what comes in debit, the machine is comes, then is a credit about the debit. Then what goes in credit, cash is go out, then cash is a credit. This rule is applicable in real account. What comes in debit, what goes in credit. The machinery account regard to cash account. This rule has to be about the real account. And next one is a nominal account. What do you mean by nominal account? Nominal account is one of the part of the accounting is created as expenses, gains, expenses, incomes, losses and gains. First one, expenses. What are the expenses about that? Expenses salary, rent, wages, commission. They have created about the expenses. Then gains is nothing but interest on commission, interest on capital. They have created about the gain. The nominal account is rules say about that expenses, losses in debit, incomes and gains in credit. Expenses, losses in debit, incomes and gains in credit. What are the expenses? Let me say example of this. Paid salary. Paid salary. The paid salary is one of the transaction about that. The paid salary is one of the expenses. Salary is one of the expenses. The expenses losses in debit. You have to debit it. Then cash is involved. Cash is involved. Then cash is a credit. Salary account regard to the cash account. These the rules as applicable in this nominal account. Okay. This is one of the concept about accounting. Accounting is broadly classified into three types: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal account has three types of personal account: natural person, artificial person, representative persons. They are treated under this personal account. The rules say about the receiver debit, the giver credit. Example of cash deposit to the bank. Then cash is the bank is the receiver, is the debit. Then cash is giver, is the credit. This rule is applicable to the personal account. The real account rules say about the real account is created assets and properties. They have two types of assets: tangible assets and intangible assets. Tangible assets is nothing we can see, we cannot, we can see, we can touch the item. This is created under tangible assets. They are land, building, furniture, and plant. They have other terms of the tangible assets. Intangible assets we cannot see, we cannot touch that any item. They become comes under the intangible assets like a goodwill and trademarks. Example of it. Then this will say what comes in debit, what goes in credit. Means that I can say example. Purchase machinery from Shiva. Purchase machinery from Shiva. Shiva is purchased machinery. The machinery comes under the Shiva. Then is a debit. What comes in debit? The machinery comes under the machinery debit. The giver is cash due. Then cash is credit. Machinery account regard to cash account. This rules is applicable. And next one is a nominal account rules. Nominal account is treated as expenses, losses, and incomes and gains. The expense has nothing but salary, wages, rent, commission. They have under comes about that expenses. Gains is nothing but interest on commission, interest on capital that are created about the gains. Then say this rule say about expenses losses in debit, incomes and gains in credit. This rule say nominal. Then I can say small example paid salary. Then salary is the expenses, is the debit. Then cash is